to Friday's celebration assembly. I hope everyone had a really great week. I've seen lots of work that the children have done this week, and I'm so very pleased and very proud of how hard the children have continued to work during this time. Now, the first thing I want to talk about is that the 30 Days Wild Challenge is still going on. Remember, it's for the whole month of June, and we've had some fantastic things that have been sent in to us about what you have been doing for 30 Days Wild, and here they are. Isn't that fantastic? What an amazing thing, a lot of things you have been doing, both in-house when it's been a bit rainy like it's been today, and out in the nature, in your gardens and in the woods. So well done to all of you. Keep it up. We still do have until the end of June to do 30 Days Wild. It's not ending yet. Now, this week's challenge, though, was a little bit different. It still had to do with plants and flowers, and it was for you to create a plant or a flower that had special meaning to you, about someone special in your life. And these are all the ones that have been sent to us and what you've done at home. They're brilliant. Have a look. aren't they? Well done to all of you who participated in this week's challenge. We have another challenge next week, but first, I want to talk to you about the amazing awards that we have to give out today. And the first one, as always, is Going for Gold. Going for gold. Now, in Oxford class, we have 2 children. The first one is Mackenzie, and this is for his enthusiasm and sense of achievement when he's been helping to improve the garden at home. Well done, Mackenzie. And the second one goes to Christian. This is for trying really hard with his home learning and his presentation. You're going to do fab in year 7 next year, Christian. Well done. In Cambridge class, we have Riley. And Riley gets this award for finding so many things to do with his time, including his home learning, DIY, model making, and gardening. Well done, Riley. I like hearing how you're keeping yourself busy. In Chester class, we have Riley F. This is for his great start back in Chester class. Well done, Riley. I know all the teachers are very proud of you. In Edinburgh class, we have Grace. Grace is getting this award for trying hard to complete her home learning. And we have a second person in Edinburgh class, and that's Cuba. And that is for working hard on his home learning. Well done to both Grace and Cuba for their fantastic work. Now in Cardiff class, we have Harry. This is Cardiff 1, by the way. So in Cardiff 1, Harry for his incredible panda birthday cake. Did you see it? It's on Twitter. Have a look. Wow, he made this cake with his mom, and Miss Clayton has been blown away by it. She thinks that you have found your career. Well done, Harry. In Cardiff 2, we have Riley. This is for designing a lovely creature and egg in art. Well done, Riley. In Liverpool class, we have Ella for her superpower reading and working on the twits. I hope you enjoyed that. I know that's a great story to read. In Hall 1, we have Casey for her super effort with the work Mom has been giving her recently. Well, that's really good, Casey. I'm so proud of you. Well done. And in Hall 2, we have Jake K. This is for his persevering with his home learning. Keep that up, Jake. Keep it up. In York class, we have Corey. This is for him signing up to Numberbots and completing some of the different levels. Well done, Corey. And in Leeds, we have Cohen, and this is for his super imagination when collecting treasure and imagining what Miss Brennan saw when she went on a walk in the woods. That sounds fantastic and amazing. Well done to all of these children for the Going for Gold Award. Big thumbs up to all of you. I'm really proud. Now for the Year of Respect Awards. First, in Oxford class, we have Maruna. This is for her lovely message that she sent to her teacher and trying to keep in touch and keep in contact with her. Well done, Maruna. Sophie is the second person in Oxford class, and she gets this for looking after her mom whilst she has an injury. In Cambridge class, we have Sky. And Sky gets this for showing respect for nature by learning the names of the British birds that she is spotting and looking after her family allotment and caring for the chickens. Wow, Sky, you have been really busy. In Chester class, we have Riley F. again, and their teachers are so proud of them they had to give him this award as well for a great start back in school. In Edinburgh class, we have 2 people, the first one being Harley J. for her dedication to her home learning and being so independent about it. Well done, Harley J. And then we have Emily. This is for working hard at home and producing a poster to understand what is happening in the world. excellent work, Emily. In Cardiff 1, we have Noah K for persevering and still working hard. And in Cardiff 2, we have another Noah. And this Noah is getting it for being polite and respectful at home. In Liverpool, we have Jacob for his super kind manners, politeness, and asking how Miss Tyree was when he saw her. That's lovely, Jacob. In Hall 1, we have Caleb for being a fantastic big brother. In Hall 2, we have Marcy for working at home as well as playing lots of games with her younger brother. In York, we have Michelle for respect for herself and working so hard on her home learning challenges. And then in Leeds, we have Philippe for always making good choices and working so well with his big sister, Julia. Again, amazing group of children. Well done, children. You should give yourselves a big pat on the back. So it's the end of another week, and I am very proud of you, like I said in the beginning, of all the things that you have been doing. Again, we want to thank all of our parents and our carers and brothers and sisters and aunts and uncles and grandparents who have been giving us so much support during this challenging time. I hope you all have a good weekend. Remember, Monday, a new challenge. Have a good one. Bye.